Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me, Rian Ahitami. You can call me Rian. Hello, Miss Maria. How are you? I wish you well and have a good, nice day. In this video, I'm going to explain 3 task cards. What are they? They are a nose landing gear, main landing gear left, and main landing gear right. Before I start to explain this task card, I will explain what is landing gear. Landing gear is one of the important parts of an aircraft, often referred to as undercarriage. Landing gear is a structure which is installed on the aircraft for the purpose to support the weight of the aircraft while it is on the ground and also allows the aircraft for smooth maneuver such as takeoff and landing. The first task card is nose landing gear. The nose landing gear is located in the lower forward fuselage, and the nose landing gear is retracted forward and up into the lower forward fuselage and is enclosed by 2 doors. This is a typical task card nose landing gear. Boeing is a company from an aircraft. The series is 737, 300, 400, and 500. And this is have a few information that I will try to explain this from skill. Skill is airframe power plane. Work area in nose gear, and the title is nose landing gear. This task card revision, it means the last revision is November 12, 2002. Applicability, airplane oil and engine oil. This task card is about corrosion prevention, and the zones is 204. This is a step instruction, or maybe we can say word order. This is about corrosion prevention. Corrosion, what is that? Corrosion is a natural process that converts a refined metal into a more chemically stable form, such as oxide, hydroxide, or sulfide. It is a gradual destruction of material, usually metal, by chemical and or electrochemical reaction with their environments. Okay, this is corrosion prevention. In the nose landing gear, including a few parts, such as a shock strut and attachment, drag brace links, axle surface, torsion links, nose gear actuator, nose gear steering assembly, trunnion, and trunnion bearing caps. And the last is lock brace assembly and linkage. This is a step for word order in nose landing gear. But don't forget, the step or the word order must be sequenced, not random. It means we must do a step-by-step sequence, like we start from the first step and then second step and then the third step. Okay, let's read the first step. the first step is clean the nose landing gear and components. Inspect for damage paint finishes, damage plating, and check for corrosion. So, before we do corrosion prevention, we must to clean the nose landing gear and check for the corrosion. The next step, if corrosion is evident, remove corrosion and restore protective finishes as practical. The third step is apply BMS 3-23 compound to surface area of the landing gear fittings, connecting pins and attachment lugs as required, particularly in the following area. So, we must sequence 2 in the particularly in the following area. Like, we start from the shock strut and then upper and lower drag brace links, and then axle surface except bearing and journal areas, upper and lower torsion links and towing lugs, and then nose gear actuator, nose gear steering assembly, trunnion and trunnion gearing caps, and the last is lock brace assembly and linkage. Let's move to next slide. The next slide is the fourth step. After application of BMS 3-23, clean the affected grease, fittings, and re-lubricate the nose gear. So, if we apply BMS 3-23, clean the affected grease. And we have note here, in case where periodic cleaning is accomplished with steam or high water pressure and detergent, we apply BMS. So, if cleaning is accomplished with steam and high water pressure and detergent, we must reapply BMS. And this caution is we don't apply BMS to silicone rubber, rubber seals, or control cables. Observe other precautions shown in Part 1, Section 20-60-00, page 3 and 4 of the Corrosion Prevention Manual. Reference: Corrosion Prevention Manual D6 82560. So, in the first task car, we must do work order in sequence, not randomly. Okay, let's move on to the next task car. Oh, I have a picture. This picture is about located landing gear. So this nose landing gear, and then this right main gear, and then it is a left main gear. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. This slide is titled Main Landing Gear Left. Overall is same information that I see in this task car, but there are few different like work area, title, and maybe that's all that I can see in this task car. The different from the task car nose landing gear. The task car work area in this task car is left main gear, and the title is Main Landing Gear Left, and this task card is about corrosion prevention tool. It's a title Main Landing Gear Right. This task card title is same information like two task card before, but the difference is like the title, work area, and the zones. The title is Main Landing Gear Right, and the zones is 410. Work area in right main gear. Okay, this is a work order or step instruction in left main gear. And when I see the step instruction left and right, maybe it's same, but the difference is from the part. Like main landing gear, including shock strut and door attachment, axle surface, side and drag struts, walking beam, torsion links, trunnion and trunnion link, lugs, lug face, link pins, actuators, lock mechanisms, and door height. The first step is same, like we must clean the main landing gear. The two step is same too, like if corrosion is evident, remove corrosion and restore protective finishes as practical. The third step is different, like particularly in the following area, like a shock strut and strut door attachment, axle surface, axle bearing and journal areas, upper and lower side struts, drag strut, walking beam, torsion links, main gear damper, trunnion and trunnion link, door height, lugs, lug space, link pins, actuators, lock mechanisms. And the first step is after application of BMS, we must clean the affected grease fittings and re-lubricate the landing gear. Caution: same with the task card, nose landing gear is do not apply BMS 3 to 23 to silicone rubber, rubber seals, or control cables. And the note: remove excess BMS 3 to 23 with a clean, dry rag. I'm so excited when I'm explaining this task card because when I see this task card, there are so many information that I get in this task card. So guys, I'm so sorry if my explain for this task card is not good, but you can see more detailed information for this task card in Google. There are so many information that you can get in Google. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification. So if I upload my new video, you get the notification and see my video. Thanks for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.